In the early 1990s, a small child custody case turned into one of the most emotional courtroom battles in America. A baby girl was born in 1991. Her biological parents were not together, and her mother decided to give the child for adoption. A couple adopted the baby and raised her as their daughter. They named her Jessica. For 2 years, the little girl lived happily with the adoptive parents. They loved her, cared for her, and believed she was their child forever. But everything changed when the biological father found out the truth. He said he never agreed to the adoption. He went to court and demanded custody of his daughter. The case went to court, and the decision was not easy. On one side, the adoptive parents said, "We raised her since birth, she is our daughter." On the other side, the biological father said, "She is my child, I never gave permission." The courtroom became emotional. Lawyers argued for months. Judges reviewed the documents again and again. The biggest question was, who is the real parent? The court looked at the law. According to the law, the father's permission was required for adoption, and that permission was never given. The judge made the final decision. The courtroom was silent. The judge said the child must be returned to her biological father. People in the courtroom started crying. The adoptive parents were heartbroken. They had raised the girl for 2 years, and now they had to give her back. Police officers and social workers came to take the child. The moment was emotional. The little girl did not understand what was happening. But the law had spoken. The child was returned to her biological parents. The case became famous across the country. Many people argued about the decision. Some said the law was right. Some said the heart was right. But the court followed the law. And this case became one of the most emotional custody battles in history. Some people believe the court made the right decision. Others believe the child should have stayed with the parents who raised her. This case showed how complicated the law can be. Sometimes the legal decision and the emotional decision are not the same. The judge followed the law, but many people felt the situation was heartbreaking. Cases like this remind us that in family court, there is not always a perfect ending. What do you think? Should the child stay with the biological parents or the parents who raised her? Let me know your opinion in the comments.